The wrap-up for today. This is the wrap-up of the live market open. Monday, happy Monday, December 14th. This is the last full week of the year, and the Fed is coming up on Wednesday. But before the Fed, we had oil prices continue their crash on Friday, and also today they look a bit depressed. We had a crash also of stock markets and in the United States, and also junk bonds. Okay. Figures that we had again on Friday from the US were quite mixed. Retail sales were okay with a better control group. Consumer confidence was also okay with better conditions. Not that important. Markets are a bit shaky. Chinese industrial output beats expectations. Good news from there, but people have lots of doubts about that. And in Japan, where people have less doubts, the Tankan figures, the surveys look good. Okay, today we have a very light calendar. We have Eurozone industrial output at 10 GMT. And then we have Mario Draghi, the president of the ECB, will try to rock the euro. Well, I hope he tries and makes it. Speaking at 11. A speech from the Bank of England, Shafiq, is at 12 GMT, and the Australian meeting minutes are at night. Okay, let's do a quick look at charts. We're seeing the dollar strengthening just a bit. Euro dollar now ticking lower during the show, very much within the range 109.25, 110, 110.50, and 108.30 are the lines to watch here. A small fall within the range, sort of a bit stronger dollar ahead of the Fed. Stronger dollar is also seen here, a bit stronger manner, I would say. 151.50, 151.15 in cable is support, 152 resistance, 152.50, and 150 are additional lines to watch. Dollar yen is making its way a bit higher. It found support here at 120.60. 121.10 is minor support. 121.90 minor resistance. It's very strong resistance at 122.20, which was the previous line of support. Dollar CAD, the sky is the limit with falling oil prices. Well, now a bit off the highs, 137.12. It was at 130. Well. 137 today, 137.54 was the high, 136.20 is support resistance, the sky, or maybe 140 the round number. Aussie dollar enjoyed good figures last week, but the gloomy atmosphere is hurting it. 72.20 is minor resistance, strong resistance at 72.80, 73.60, 74, support 71.50, and 70.65. Kiwi dollar holding on to 67, well, dipping below it, but still holding on, 67.90, 69, and 66 is support. All in all, this week is dominated by the Federal Reserve. Decides on Wednesday. They're expected to raise rates. Big question is, what is priced in? They're expected to raise rates and also tell us that the next moves will be very gradual, and they'll release the dot plot. I believe it's not fully priced in. We might see a slightly stronger dollar. Okay, and if a rate hike is priced in, also the gradual moves afterwards are priced in. So let's see what happens. It's an open thing. I can only say one thing for sure. If we don't have a hike, then the US dollar will crash. Very, very low chances of that. Everything is ready for a rate hike. Okay, so I guess that's it for today.